Hello, good morning guys. My name is Manish Tomar. Welcome back again in a new video. We are at JP Greens and we are about to shoot a project called Gore Trecento Residences. It is in 452 acres of JP Greens, which offers you 18-hole golf course and absolute such great landscaping. It is placed in between golf area. In Gore Trecento हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे रैप अराउंड बालकनीज दी हैं इसके अंदर, जिसकी वजह से आपको एक बहुत अच्छा लैंडस्केपिंग का व्यू मिलता है एंड इट ऑफर्स यू 180 डिग्री व्यू. Let's explore this site. I will show you the model and I will show you the sample flat. Come. Let's experience the model and the AV room of this project. So finally we are at the model room and आप जो मेरे पीछे देख पा रहे हैं ये एक स्ट्रक्चर है. ऐसे दो स्ट्रक्चर आने वाले हैं, एक स्ट्रक्चर यहाँ पर आएगा और एक स्ट्रक्चर यहाँ पे आने वाला है. इसमें सिर्फ दो टावर्स रहने वाले हैं जिसको हम बोलते हैं गॉर ट्रेसेंटो. सो आइडली हर टावर में 30 फ्लोर्स बनने वाले हैं और एक फ्लोर पे दो अपार्टमेंट्स होंगे जो कि 5000 स्क्वायर फीट के दो अपार्टमेंट होंगे जो कि 4 BHK प्लस सर्वेंट रहेगा. एक टावर में 60 यूनिट्स आएंगे, टोटल 120 यूनिट्स आने वाली हैं. और अगर मैं लैंडस्केपिंग की बात करूं तो कंप्लीट लैंडस्केपिंग में स्काई वॉकवे आने वाला है, क्लब हाउस, स्विमिंग पूल, मंदिर और दिस ब्यूटीफुल लैंडस्केपिंग एरिया. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं बता पाएंगे जो सर्कुलर टावर हो और इस तरह का स्पेसिफिकेशन हो. एंड दिस विल बी अ स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट. It is a part of 452 acre of JP Greens Township. It has 18-hole golf course. It has JP Spa Resort, Boomerang Club, and beautiful lush green landscaping area. And it is a part of this community. Every home will have 180 degree panoramic view of this complete lush green landscaping of JP Greens. After this model room, you'll be brought here to have a look at the AV room. Let's have a look at the AV room. So friends, after having a look at the model room and the AV room, let's have a look at the sample flat. So this is the way towards the sample flat. Let's go and explore the sample flat. Finally, we are at the entrance lobby of the house. और मेरे सामने है ये लिफ्ट एरिया और it is a two core. इस एक फ्लोर प्लेट पे दो घर हैं. So basically one on the left hand side, one on the right hand side. और आपको मैं दिखाने वाला हूँ 5000 स्क्वायर फीट का 4 BHK प्लस सर्वेंट गॉर ट्रेसेंटो का सैंपल फ्लैट. कम. दिस इज द मेन एंट्रेंस ऑफ दिस होम और साथ में अटैच्ड है सर्वेंट रूम. दिस इज योर मेन एंट्री ऑफ द हाउस एंड लुक एट दिस ब्यूटिफुल एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ दिस हाउस. This home is absolutely only for classes. एंट्री के साथ ही आपको ये एरिया मिल जाता है. इट इज़ लाइक अ लाउंज एरिया, इट इज़ लाइक अ गेस्ट लाउंज, एक वेटिंग लाउंज कह लीजिए, जहाँ पे सिटिंग स्पेस है और कुछ आर्टिफैक्ट्स हम लोगों ने प्लेस किए हैं. और इसके ठीक सामने मेरा एक गेस्ट लाउंज आ जाता है. और ये गेस्ट लाउंज काफ़ी स्पेशियस है. गेस्ट लाउंज is about 10-12 sitting space capacity and it is very spacious. Imagine it sitting in your home. What you're gonna feel is a luxury style living. It is one of the most premium house of Greater Noida right now. This is your beautiful bar area of this house. You can serve your guests your drinks and you can host a party here. And if you want to host a party and if you want to combine this party with your bigger deck balcony, you can also access this balcony from this space. So now I want to show you one of the most important area of the house, which is called kitchen and the guest bedroom. So when you enter this area, and this is your guest bedroom. Guest bedroom is very spacious and it has a bed, it has sitting extension, and this guest room offers you this scenic, beautiful view of complete 18-hole golf course of JP Greens. Imagine it waking up every day in this balcony with this beautiful view. So this is your beautiful guest bedroom, and this guest bedroom is attached with balcony and attached with this beautiful dressing area. So it offers you this dressing area and this storage space. You have 3-door wardrobe here and you have this beautiful washroom here with shower closet, wall mounted seat and fittings of premium sanitary fittings, and it offers you Italian marble in the complete home. After this guest bedroom, I would want to show you the most important area of the house, which is called kitchen area. Come. So this complete kitchen is being made by a company called Seafoam. All the model kitchen and model wardrobe is being made by Seafoam, and this area is attached with your utility balcony, and this area is attached with the maid's room or the servant room. And this offers you this beautiful view. The craftsmanship is absolutely marvelous. The door height, the ceiling height. This complete home is on VRV air conditioning system. So friends, after having a look at the kitchen, let's have a look at the dining space where you will serve the food. And this is the beautiful area which is called dining space. It is super huge and we have placed a 8-seater dining table here. We can also accommodate bigger dining space in this space since it is a very big area. इस डाइनिंग टेबल के बिल्कुल ठीक सामने you have this your second bedroom, which is very spacious, super huge, and this offers you again a scenic, beautiful view of this complete 18-hole golf course. And this bedroom is super huge. It has bedside tables, and it has these beautiful TV unit. We have VRV air conditioning system within the house, so so you don't have to put in your private ACs. And this area is amazing. It offers you this beautiful view of balcony. It also has this beautiful sitting extension within the bedroom, and it offers you this big wardrobe spaces. This is about 7-door wardrobe space. The storage space is super huge, and it is connected with this private washroom. Again, this washroom is absolutely amazing. This has total fittings, and the combination of tiles and the tile marble looks amazing. I would like to show you the third bedroom of this house, and third bedroom is, again, you have your living space, kitchen, waiting lounge, and your dining space. And this bedroom is also connected with this area which is called third bedroom. ये डाइनिंग स्पेस के सामने ही हमारा एक थर्ड बेडरूम आ जाता है, which is again a very super huge bedroom, and it offers you this study table, bedside tables, and TV unit in the front, and it is again attached with this balcony, which is absolutely amazing. The color combination is absolutely beautiful, and it offers you such great view. And this bedroom also has this walk-in closet. It offers you 6-door wardrobes and this private washroom, and this washroom is beautiful. After this third bedroom, the family wait is over. I would want to show you the master's bedroom of this home. This view is amazing. Finally, we are in the master's bedroom, and this bedroom is super huge. It offers you this beautiful balcony and this bedside tables, TV unit in the front, and you have this beautiful sitting extension within your master's bedroom. Imagine your home. I wish I could buy this. And this beautiful master's bedroom has this beautiful view of this balcony. So after having a look at this master's bedroom, I would like to show you this beautiful storage space of this bedroom. It is attached with this bedroom, and it is super huge. You can store your all valuables here, and this storage space is being connected with this, again, a dressing area, and this dressing area is super huge, and it has this 5-door wardrobe space and offers you this private washroom. So this is your beautiful view of your attached with a wraparound balcony, and this balcony offers you this beautiful view. So this is the pool area of Suncourt, and these 2 towers are Suncourt's. टोटल 4 टावर्स थे सनकोर्ट के जेपी के, जिसमें 2 टावर्स जेपी ने हैंडओवर किए हैं बना के, जिसमें पूरा कंप्लीट ग्लास फसाड है ये. और द ओनली डिफरेंस विच वी हैड इज इन ट्रिसेंटो इज वी हैव गिवन दिस रैप अराउंड बैल्कनीज विच इज सुपर ह्यूज एंड गिव्स यू मोर वैल्यू टू इट. ये बैल्कनी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कहीं ना कहीं जो एक व्यू है यहाँ पे, जो सेरेनिटी आपको दिख रही है, वो आपको विंडो से नहीं दिख सकती है, वो बैल्कनी से मिल सकती है, सेरेनिटी व्यू. एंड इट हैज दिस 18 हॉल गोल्फ कोर्स सामने मेट्रो का लाइन है, एक्वा लाइन चल रहा है सामने. दैट इज गौर आइलैंड, आर प्रोजेक्ट. गौर आइलैंड के ठीक सामने हमारा प्रोजेक्ट है, इसका नाम है गौर लेगेसी, एंड इट ऑफर्स यू दिस ब्यूटीफुल व्यू. सामने बूमरैंग क्लब आ जाता है, एंड लुक एट दिस, it has this beautiful glass balconies, and it is a 180-degree panoramic view from this home, and this is simply amazing. It is North India's best township, which offers you premium villas and premium apartments, and this project is a style statement, and the landscaping of this area, the gentry set, it is amazing. And we have 2 towers in Gor Trecento. It is 5,000 square feet, 4 BHK plus 7, 2 accord. एक फ्लोर पे 2 घर, 30 फीट्स की हाइट, लगभग 60 यूनिट पर टावर. और ऐसे हमारे पास 2 टावर्स हैं. वी आर इन दिस टावर which has 60 odd apartments, and इसके बाद अभी हम लोग ये एक लास्ट टावर अपना गौर ट्रेसेंटो का स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, विच इज़ अभी हम शुरुआत करने वाले हैं. वी आर ओपनिंग इट सून, और इसमें काम स्टार्ट कर चुके हैं ऑलरेडी. एंड यू हैव दिस ब्यूटिफुल क्लब हाउस एंड द व्यू. इट इज इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग. सो इट हैज स्काई डेक, इट इज कंप्लीट स्काई डेक, स्काई वॉक, एंड यू हैव दिस ब्यूटिफुल क्लब हाउस, वाटर बॉडीज, एंड दिस एरिया इज turning up nicely. So friends, आपने अभी देखा था सैंपल फ्लैट. इट वॉज placed with furniture. उसमें सारा मॉडल किचन, मॉडल वार्डरोब, सारा फर्नीचर प्लेस किया था हम लोगों ने. और दिस इज द एक्चुअल शेप. आप यहाँ पे अपना वेटिंग लाउंज बना सकते हैं, एंड यू हैव दिस अटैच्ड ब्यूटिफुल रैप अराउंड balcony from here, and you have this beautiful view, and this beautiful living area is being combined with this beautiful balcony, and this balcony offers you this great view, and बहुत ही सुंदर व्यू दिखता है आसपास. यहाँ से परी चौका है, सामने आर्टिफिशियल लेक है, 18 होल गोल्फ कोर्स है. दिस इज योर पाउडर रूम, एंड दैट इज योर गेस्ट बेडरूम. अगेन गेस्ट बेडरूम is attached with this beautiful balcony, and you have this great view from here, and this is attached with this storage space, and you have this dressing area, or dressing area is connected with this beautiful washroom. And this was your guest bedroom, and ये आपका किचन है. किचन फुली लोडेड मिलता है आपको, एंड किचन काफ़ी स्पेशियस है. क्राफ्टमैनशिप देखते ही बनती है, एंड यू हैव दिस ब्यूटिफुल व्यू ऑफ फ्रॉम द किचन, एंड किचन इज अटैच्ड विद दिस यूटिलिटी balcony and a 7th room. गेस्ट बेडरूम, किचन, पाउडर रूम, लिविंग के बाद I want to show you this beautiful dining space. ये आपका पूरा डाइनिंग स्पेस है, एंड दिस इज वेरी स्पेशियस. और डाइनिंग स्पेस के साथ ही कनेक्टेड है ये आपका सेकंड बेडरूम. सेकंड बेडरूम इज वेरी स्पेशियस. सेकंड बेडरूम कनेक्टेड है आपका ड्रेसिंग एरिया, वार्डरोब स्पेसेस, एंड दिस ब्यूटिफुल वॉशरूम. And after this bedroom, let's have a look at the third bedroom. Third bedroom again offers you this beautiful view, and it offers you this storage space and this beautiful washroom. You have this your master's bedroom. Master's bedroom, again, it is very spacious bedroom, and you have this view of complete nature, serenity. And this bedroom is also connected with this balcony, and you have this private dressing area, and this private dressing area is been combined with this beautiful washroom. Is connected with this storage space, and you have this beautiful storage space here. If you want to book it, you want to know more about the project, want to know more about pricing, any details you want, do call me. My name is Manish Tomar. Call me as soon as possible, buy it as soon as possible, otherwise you won't be able to purchase it in future.